Are you getting Steam VR error 499 and nothing seems to fix it? Don't worry, this method actually works, and it only takes a few minutes. First, open your Windows search bar and type in Graphics Settings. Click on it once it shows up. Now, under Graphics Performance Preference, select Browse. Go to where Steam is installed, usually Program Files, then find and select steam.exe. Once it's added, click on Steam in the list. Hit Options and set it to High Performance, then click Save. Next, open up Steam. Click on Steam in the top left corner. Go to Settings, then head over to Downloads. Here, click on Clear Download Cache. This helps fix any corrupted files that might be causing the error. After that, go to your library and find Steam VR. Right-click it, go to Properties, then make sure Enable the Steam overlay while in-game is turned on. And that's it. Those are the fixes that should get rid of Steam VR error 499. If it worked for you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.